Alrighty, so see what they have. Look at this bird paradise. It is so big. $42.98. That is a really good price. Look at the new leaf. Oh my god. Oh, so stunning. We also got a clearance section. Cute little ivies. These are $2. I mean, it looks pretty good still. Some succulents, $4. Love for $4. These are for $5. I'm guessing. I guess. They don't look so good. Some earth plants. It's for $10. And on. These are so cool. Also Aurelia, $14.98. Isn't this one pretty cool? No? Yeah? Okay. Feels really nice too. Some bromeliads, an orchid. Beautiful flowers. This orchid this arrangement has like 2 orchids. I believe it's like 40 something, $32.98. Look at those flowers. So pretty. We got some more bromeliads you can check later. Oh, what is this? Are these the airbirds? Oh, that's so cool. The flowers are so pretty. They're $15.98. Wow. Some really cute air plants. Let me look at this one. For $3.98. These pots are so cute. $8.98. More succulents. Black ZZ for $17.98. We got some really cool hanging baskets. What is this one? The Codananti. $15.98. Looks pretty cool. We got some 4-inch or 3.5-inch pots. This ivy is so pretty. The Ferns, Shashiflera, Dracaenas. Oh, these ivies. I don't know why, but I'm so into like these type of ivies. Like they're really basic, but I don't know. I like it. Dracaena. Look at this one. Oh, this is the white Shaflera. I have a yellow one. I think it's yellow variegated, like orange, creamy. This one's white. Oh my god. Sorry, it sounds so good. I might get this one instead. But I want this one. Okay. Isn't it cute? Can you hold it for me? Because I got it from Ferns. Oh, that's so cool. I'm not sure if I already have one. I feel like the one that I have is like creamy. I don't know. This is a Maria Syngonium. Oh no, Berry Illusion Syngonium. Look at that ivy. We got more of these. Codananti. I'm probably pronounced it incorrectly. Oh, look at this golden pothos. $5.98. I have a bird's nest fern. $5.98. There's a little bit of damage or some old leaves. I got more ivies, some Dracaenas. Really pretty. Look at this ivy. More ferns. Proton. Oh, they have so many of these. It's really pretty. I'm not sure though. This ivy is so pretty. Some plants. Some lucky bambos. Strawberry begonia. So many babies. Pretty. Forgot this side. We got a bunch of Dracaenas as well. Look at this one. For $7.98. cute. More John Song of India. Oh my god, look at this one. Isn't this one so pretty? $15.98. It looks so pretty. Looks a little bit more wild. More John Some begonias. Pretty for $17.98. Snake plants. $11.98. Look, a little pop is coming through. Another one over here. African violets. This cute little nose. Look, these pots are so pretty. $9.98. Some crotons. Which they put those. Looks like a marble queen photos. What is this? This is kind of cute. Oh my god, is it this one? I think it's called a bonsai. But look at this one. She thick. Isn't it cute? $12.98. Those plants over there. Oh, I love me some Chinese evergreens. This one has a lot. Oh my god. This has a bunch. It's like great for low light conditions, by the way. Really, really good. People, aquí está la potting mix that I needed. But it's Miracle Grow. I don't know about that. Look at this one. Can't check the price. This is a different vacuum. $7.98. Really pretty, really pretty. Oh my god, look at this ivy! Israel, look at this ivy! ¿Qué pasó, boo? What happened? $10.98. Ooh, I'm getting this one. This one's good. This one's really, really good. What happened? String of... Oh my god, that is so cute. $10.98 for this Cinco Bananas. Mine has gotten really, really long. They love like bright and direct light. They can tolerate direct light as well, but you gotta like harden the plant as any other houseplant as well. That can tolerate direct sunlight. Some elephant bush. Oh my god, look at this string of dolphins. Isn't that so cute? $10.98. Aww, they're so cute. I already have one as well. She's doing really good as well. Elephant bush, $10.98. I had one, but I ended up killing it because I dried it out too much. But this is really, really cute. Take a little overview. I really do love those pots. They're so pretty. Potting mix. These are, I think these are called Ponyta Palms. Well, there's a price $40. And I think the rocks are, yeah, they're glued. You got some peace lilies, which are really cute as well. So pretty. $12.98. And it's in one of those containers that you just water it and it collects water at the bottom. And it has a string and it just pulls water whenever it needs it. Usually, oh, there it is. It's over here. Usually you can see how much water it has inside. See? The little wicking thing. Okay. Excuse me, boo. And some carnivorous and for the orchid lovers. These are all bulbs or seeds. Oh my god. So pretty. I'm not sure if this is the one that like, I think it's this one. It's really pretty though. These are for $13.98. Well, they're all $13.98. Look at this flower. Look at the purple one. Got some pots, $12.98. And then the bromeliads. Look at this little baby bromeliad. $8.98. So cute. Bromeliads with some arrangements. Golden photos, croton. Looks like a lucky bamboo, but I think it's a Drancina. Pretty sure it's a lucky bamboo. I went by these so fast. We're gonna do a little quick, a slower glance. This is really cute. Loas. I always see these and I don't even have one yet, but like, isn't it so cool? I love a pattern. Succulents. Raw 368. Look at this one. I want to start looking succulents as well. They're so cute. And they're very they're hardy plants. These Drancinas are so pretty. They're so big. $14.98. And this, I think it's called a philodendron. It's really pretty. I think it's also for $14.98. Yeah. Snake plants. Pretty. Some yuccas, they're so big. I think it's $42.98. So big. See, I have this one. It's like creamish, yellowish. This one's white. Oh my god. I love white variegation. This one's so... Oh, look at that peace lily. Looks so bad. Here's the name. Philodendron by Coastal Farm. It's really cute. There's some fiddles. Oh my god, these are so big. Look at the leaf. It's huge. $19.98. Little baby leaf. Fruit plants. We got some ferns. Boston ferns. $12.98. Drancinas. More Drancinas. Fleras, more Dieffenbachia. They're so pretty. How much is it? $14.98. See, I love Dieffenbachia. I love the variegation. Oh no, they're $12.98. But I always kill them. This is so pretty. So stunning. And we're back at the clearance section. So that's pretty much what they have in this location. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for going play something with me, and I'll see you in the other one. Bye!